In the realm of creative continents, every adventure begins on the same untouched canvas, an island ripe with potential, a silent witness awaiting your touch. But where you take it from here, that's entirely up to you. With every tool at your disposal and nature's laws at your command, you shape the world as you see fit. Erect colossal structures that kiss the sky or carve out intricate dwellings hidden within the earth. Here, the horizon is not a boundary but an invitation. Collaborate with fellow architects, engage with vibrant communities, or stand as a solitary creator amidst your private paradise. Watch as the world responds, with skies that blaze with the hues of your actions, and seas that whisper tales of your journey. Embark on expeditions across diverse biomes. Unravel mysteries shrouded within dense forests, or seek treasures buried beneath the ocean's embrace. Creative Continents isn't just a game, it's a universe that evolves with your imagination. Forge your destiny, leave a legacy for others to find, and when the day is done, stand atop the highest peak of your creation and gaze upon a world that's uniquely yours. For in Creative Continents, your will is the only blueprint, your ambition the only limit. This is where your story begins, and where it transcends. Creative Continents shape the world, craft your adventure, live your legend. Bring a continent to your screen today, available on Steam now.
End of line.